Hello YouTube. This is really raw. This is really me here. And I just want to introduce myself. My name is Patti. And I have a passion for doing a lot of things with my hands, with food, with clothes. And I just want to share my journey with you. Maybe we can do some things together. Maybe not. Maybe you can just listen to what I have to say. I'm not a professional. So starting today, I will be filming and doing little activities in the kitchen, in my sewing room, in my closet, which is where we are now. I do a lot of upcycled things, repurposed things, cooking without a recipe. I use a lot of spices and herbs because I don't really eat salt, and we'll talk about that later. This is my very first time, so I don't really have a lot to say today, but just stay tuned and